Dear respected teachers and audience and special guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we speak about that great personality whom Allah said as a teacher for all humanity, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have been sent as a teacher. This shows that his mission was to educate and morally uplift humanity. Before him, ignorance and oppression and moral decline were widespread. But he transformed the world, ignorance into knowledge, hatred into love, oppression into justice. His teaching style was gentle and wise, not harsh. When a Bedouin acted disrespectfully in the mosque, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Leave him," and then kindly guided. Make things easy, do not make them difficult. Respected audience and compassion. If we want a better home and society, we must follow him. Speak softly, improve character, make life easy for others. May Allah grant us the ability to follow his noble example. Ameen. Wa ma alayna illa al balagul mubin.